Numpy too weak to calculate a precise mean value. This question is very similar to this post, but not exactly. I have some data in a CSV file. The data has precision to the fourth digit, #. Calculating the mean in Excel or SAS gives a result with precision to fifth digit, #, but using Numpy gives a number like this. Number 999,999,999,994. Clearly something is wrong. Using gives #. Is there anything in the np.average that I set wrong underscore? Bonus info. I'm only working with 200 data points in the array. Update. I thought I should make my case more clear. I have numbers like 4.2730 in my CSV, giving a 4 decimal precision, even though the fourth always is 0, not part of the subject, so don't mind that. Calculating an average/mean by Numpy gives me this, which gives a print by. Doing the same thing in Excel or SAS gives me this, which I actually believe as being the true average value because it finds it to be 4.25165. This code also illustrated. So how do I tell np.average to calculate this value underscore? I'm a bit surprised that Numpy did this to me. I thought that I only needed to worry if I was dealing with 16 digits numbers. Didn't expect a round off on the 4 decimal place would be influenced by this. I know I could use, but I also have other things, like STD, I want to calculate with the same precision. Update 2. I thought I could make a temp solution by which did not solve the case. Then I tried. Aha! There is a bug in the formatter, issue 5118. To be honest, I don't care if Python stores 4.24165 as 4.241649999. It's still a round-off error, no matter what. If the interpreter can figure out how to display the number, then should the formatter as well and deal with that number when rounding. It still doesn't change the fact that I have a round-off problem, now both with the formatter and Numpy. In case you need some numbers to help me out, then I have made this modified CSV file. Download it from here. I'm aware that this file does not have the number of digits I explained earlier and that the average gives 9,988 at the end instead of 9,994, it's modified. Guess my question boils down to how do I get a string output like the one Excel gives me if I use equals average? And have it round off correctly if I choose to show only 4 digits. I know that this might seem strange for some, but I have my reasons for wanting to reproduce the behavior of Excel. Any help would be appreciated, thank you.
To get exact decimal numbers, you need to use decimal arithmetic instead of binary. Python provides the decimal module for this. If you want to continue to use Numpy for the calculations and simply round the result, You can still do this with decimal. You do it in 2 steps, rounding to a large number of digits to eliminate the accumulated error, then rounding to the desired precision. The quantize method is used for rounding.
The result value of average is a double. When you print out a double, by default all digits are printed. What you see here is the result of limited digital precision, which is not a problem of Numpy but a general computing problem. When you care of the presentation of your float value, use %.4f%average_val. There is also a package for rational numbers, to avoid representing fractions as real numbers, but I guess that's not what you're looking for. For your second statement, summarizing all the values by hand and then dividing it, I suppose you're using Python 2.7 and all your input values are integer. In that way, you would have an integer division, which truncates everything after the dot, resulting in another integer value.
This